Here's your Pinpoint Weather 12 forecast.
Well, we have a quiet and dry evening after some showers earlier on. It's a quiet night ahead. Temperatures near 70 degrees, but we are tracking some serious heat over the next few days. This is looking out in the capital city again. Nothing going on tonight. The rainfall has ended from west to east, and now we're looking at temperatures right around 70 degrees. That's where we should stay overnight. Radar check, things are pretty quiet as well. You can see those last few frames there showing the wet weather pushing east and kind of drying out. So no wet weather tonight. The bigger story going forward for the next few days is the heat. And now we have a heat advisory in effect for Thursday, 10 a.m. until Friday at 8 p.m. This includes all of Providence and Kent counties as well as northern Bristol counties. Again, as we go into tomorrow, it'll be very warm, upper 80s to around 90 away from the shoreline, but the serious heat will be here on Thursday and Friday with feels like temperatures in the triple digits. So three key things: warm and humid on Wednesday, more storm chances. The first one comes Thursday evening, and then the second one arrives for later on Saturday, and of course that heat advisory in effect that I just mentioned. So here's the wide view, the setup of what's going on in the atmosphere. You can see a cold front off to the west and a low pressure offshore. We're kind of in between the two, and there's enough instability and a lot of moisture to work with. So we've had some showers and storms that sparked earlier, mainly to the west of us. They saw those thunderstorms with some gusty winds and vivid lightning. We didn't really see much of that. It was kind of weakening as it made its way through Rhode Island and southeastern Massachusetts. Let's go forward now. Let's time things out for you. Again, overnight, quiet conditions, temperatures falling back to around 70 degrees or so overnight. And as we go into the morning hours, this is now 7 o'clock. Notice temperatures still around 70 degrees. We're going to warm up very quickly. That July sun is very strong, going to get us into the mid 80s by lunchtime. And for the afternoon, we will be well into the upper 80s to even low 90s in spots with lots of sunshine. It's a hazy, hot, and humid kind of day for our Wednesday. No rain chances though. Some good news there. We will be on the dry side with that, but again, it's gonna be humid out there. Even beaches, can't rule out getting into the mid 80s, but that south wind that's off the water will definitely keep things a little bit cooler, if you will, with that breezy wind about 10-15 knots coming off of the water as we go into the afternoon hours as that sea breeze forms. Quiet weather continues right into the evening hours for your Wednesday, and again that takes us right into Thursday as well with quiet conditions too. So let's recap the forecast for the morning hours on Wednesday. Again, getting to near 84 degrees by 11 o'clock, and then for the afternoon, upper 80s, low 90s, a good bet away from the shoreline. Not as warm down at the beaches, but still very nice. Bay forecast for you here. Again, things are quiet across the area. High tide coming in around 3 o'clock in the afternoon, low tide coming in around 7:30 in the morning. Here is that 7-day forecast for you, and those 3 H's we call them, hazy, hot, and humid, arrives tomorrow, but especially for Thursday and Friday. Next chance of storms later Thursday, some could be strong to severe, and then again later Saturday, some more storm chances. But guys, notice that heat does not last all the way through the weekend. We at least tone it down a little bit and get rid of that humidity by the time we get to Sunday and into Monday.
Got to get to the beach. Why not?
It's great beach weather coming up,
Okay.
yeah.
Stephen, thank you.